So, hello guys once again. Today I'm gonna share a new project with you. I'm gonna show you how to easily make the mobile phone holder from an old compact disc or a CD. You can take just as well the new one if you like, but if you like to use it, pay attention. So, a few important things when making the holder are the thickness of a phone. So you should pay attention. So mobile phone thickness is 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters. So and my phone is with protective cover. So yes, I'm gonna make the holder in that thickness, because I'm guessing that a lot of phones are with protective. A lot of phones are protected. So the important thing when you do something like this, it's to calculate the thickness and orientation. So in my case, I will leave just a little bit more of a compact disc, so that the mobile phone can stand upright. So I'll just make one line here and the other line in thickness of my mobile phone. Now leave just a couple of millimeters, so something like that, because you're gonna lose some of your disc while bending it. So I'll take just a couple of more millimeters and draw one line here, and the next line should be across the middle of the disc. So across the middle of the disc I will point out the middle, and so approximately I'll just do it as straight as I can. I'll make the line in the middle. But this line I'm gonna need from the other side. That means I must turn the disc over, because I'll show you later why. So that's right. So we have prepared our compact disc for bending. Now what you're gonna do is apply some heat, because that's a plastic disc, and in order to bend it you must heat it. Well, you can do it with all kinds of stuff, lighters, I don't know, such as this one, for example. I have this lighter. It's good, but it will take a long time to heat this disc up, and since I don't have a proper torch, I'm just gonna use this camper gas stove to heat the disc up. Now the important thing is to fixate, somehow fixate these parts here. In order to do that, I'm going to use the meter, the solid one. So I'm just gonna do this and try and bend it around the mirror. So we'll have this part sticking out in the front of the phone. So later on I can use my phone even upright. It's stable enough to hold e-book readers or tablets, or I don't know. It's almost stable enough to hold a proper book. Yeah. Notice that I'm gonna use this meter. It's heat resistant. You should be also using something that's heat resistant. I'm gonna come back in a minute. I completely forgot, but what you're gonna need for this project, since the plastic will be damn hot, you need some gloves, not to burn yourself. So always take care and protect yourself. Now we're gonna start. Just fire the stove up. So we have a fire, internal fire. And I'm gonna prepare this. We need to bend this 90 degrees upwards. So I'm gonna heat the surface. I'm gonna heat this surface up. I hope that you guys see what I'm doing. So I believe it's warm enough. Then I'm gonna bend it right up. So it takes a little bit of time to cool down. Good. Well, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it will do the job. I seem to overheat it. The next thing, in order to achieve the thickness of the phone, I will just use the 3 of those, which makes it so almost 1 centimeter. Oh, 13 millimeters. Yeah, the 3 pieces. Yeah. So I'll just prepare it. I will try not to heat this thing up so much. So I will try and be gentle this time. Not to heat it up too much. It bends, it bends. This flame is hot, I'm telling you. So I'll just put it. I will find my line. Oh. So. I'm not completely satisfied how this looks. It doesn't look the way it's supposed to, but hopefully it'll just do the job. Yeah, it's a little bit too much. Or perhaps not. This thing here could be a little less, but hey, I'm gonna change my original plan and take the half. It's 9.5. That means 475. 475. I'll just drive my middle here across those 2 lines, parallel to the original line that I've made before. I'll just cultivate this idea, and in order to achieve the stability, the angle should be something like this, or perhaps 90 degrees. Yeah, we're gonna make it 90 degrees. We're gonna try this out. Yeah, we're gonna try 90 degrees. And just heat it up. Just heat it up. This is a little bit, so you see, it bends. So I'll just use my meter once again. And do something like this. It's not looking quite good as I intended, but it's gonna serve the purpose. Perhaps I should bend it a little more. I should probably bend it just a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I've just decided. So that I get a good angle. So I got a good angle. The angle is good. I'm gonna heat it up once more and try to straighten this surface up, because I think it's a little bit curvy. So I'm just slightly heat it up once more. Yeah. I'll try to make it straight over this book. I hope you guys seeing this. It is actually a little bit better. So, yes, I kind of did it. So, now we have a mobile phone holder. You see? How cool is that? Yes, we can stay horizontally, or if you like, even vertically. It's good. It could be a whole lot better. Perhaps in my next videos I will try to make the more advanced version of CD mobile phone holder, but I'm satisfied. It serves the purpose. It's the main thing, to serve the purpose. So, if you liked my video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and help me make some more videos in the future. Thank you guys, and ta-da!